This is the aluma winch mount. Goes on the 82 series car hauler trailers. This is an aluma part. You can purchase this at any aluma dealer, or you can call me. My phone number and website address will be in the description. But I'm going to give you a brief description of it and show you how it works here. This one has a worn 10,000 pound winch on it. If you do mount a worn winch on there, you won't be able to use the standard bolts that come with it. You'll need extra bolts to where you can go all the way through the plate there. And then how I like to install them, pretty much you mount it all the way forward. That way with the braces they send with it, you can get it on this nice thick beam right here at the front. If you miss that beam, I'd recommend getting some longer braces to where you can hit it. It takes a lot of the flex out of the bed. We do offer shipping, so you can either pick it up at my office here in Byron, Georgia, or we can ship it to you.